Have you ever thought why there is a need to study divisibility rules? Because they help us to quickly determine if a number can be divided by a particular number or not. So, we should do work hard, but we should do smart work also. Hello friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Bright Learners Academy. So, today we are going to discuss divisibility rules. Let's start. Divisibility rule of 2. So this rule says that a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even. Even means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, 73,510, 2,79,896, 9,99,964. So, if you notice that the last digit in these numbers are 0, 6 and 4. These are even number. So, it means it is divisible by 2. So, we can say that a number is divisible by 2 only if the last digit is even, or we can say if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, so this rule is very simple. You have to just focus on the last digit. Now, let's discuss divisibility rule of 3. So, divisibility rule of 3 says that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Let's see how. For example, 1368. So we have to take out the sum of these digits. Okay. So it means 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. And this is 18. And 18 is divisible by 3. So it means we can say that 1368 is divisible by 3. Let's take one more example. Suppose the number is 729. If we have to check this number, 729 is divisible by 3 or not, so what should we do? We have to just add these digits. So it means 7 plus 2 plus 9. So it is 18. And again 18 comes in the table of 3. It means this number is divisible by 3. So you don't need to divide the whole number. You have to just add the digits. Okay. This is very simple also, like 2. Now let's discuss the divisibility rule of 4. So the divisibility rule of 4 says that a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. So it means we have to focus only on the last two digits. Okay, let's see how. For example, 9312. So it means we have to focus only on the last two digits. It means 12. Okay, so we have to divide this 12 by 4. Okay, and we got 3. So it means 9312 is also divisible by 4. Okay, let's take one more example. Suppose a number is 4320. Okay, so as per the rule, we have to focus only on the last two digits. And last two digit here is 20. If we divide 20 by 4, so we got 5 is the answer. It means this is divisible by 4. Okay, so hence we can say 4320 is divisible by 4. Okay, see, this is very simple and easy, hai na? Okay, now let's discuss divisibility rule of 5. So the divisibility rule of 5 says that a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Okay, so it means we have to focus only on the last digit. If it is 0, then we can say yes, it is divisible by 5. Or if it is 5, then we can say that yes, this number is divisible by 5. Okay, let's see few examples. For example, 7345. So here this number ends with 5. The last digit is 5. Hence we can say that 7345 is divisible by 5. Let's take one more example. If the number is 3450. So here, if you observe this carefully, the last digit is 0. Okay, and the divisibility rule of 5 says if the last digit is 5 or 0, so that means that number is divisible by 5. Here it is 0. So we can say yes, it is divisible by 5. Okay. So this is also very simple. You have to just focus on the last digit. So it's not that difficult. Now let's focus on divisibility rule of 6. So the divisibility rule of 6 is also very simple if you know the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. So this rule become easy for you. And now you know the rule of 2 and 3. So it means this will also easy for you. Let's see how. So the divisibility rule of 6 says that a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, let's see how. For example, the number is 144 and we have to check that whether that number is divisible by 6 or not. So first let's check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. So I am making two columns. Let's check divisibility of 2 first. So because the last digit is even here, that is 4, it means this number is divisible by 2. Now let's check the divisibility of 3. So for checking to 3, it means we have to add these digits. So it would be 1 plus 4 plus 4. So it would be 9. And 9 is divided by 3. We got 3 as quotient. So it means we can say that this is divisible by 3. So it means 144 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So we can say that this number is divisible by 6 also. Okay. So you have to check that number by both 2 and 3. Let's take one more example. If the number is 276. Okay. So we have to check this number. So it means first check with 2. So because here 6 is the last digit, 6 is even, it means yes, it is divisible by 2. Now let's check with 3. So it would be 2 plus 7 plus 6. So it would be 15. And if we divide 15 by 3, so we got 5 as answer. So it means yes, it is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 2 and 3 also. So we can say that 276 is divisible by 6 also. Okay. Now, hence we can say that this number is divisible by 6. Now in next video, we will discuss the divisibility rule of 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so stay tuned with us. Till then, bye-bye friends. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye friends.